Good morning, friends. Now, today's question on astrology is connected with Vastu Shastra. Generally, Vastu Shastra is one of the most wrongly understood Shastra as far as people are concerned. Whenever we dig the earth, that is Bhumi Mata, we are supposed to get her sanction to do that digging. Because earth tolerates everything, earth accepts everything. You grow your food from the earth, you dig a grave and keep the dead bodies in the earth. You dig a well and take the water from the earth. You dig canals, rivers, lakes, ponds to store the water. You spit, you piss, you do everything. Still, earth tolerates. When you want to live permanently, constructing a building on the earth, you have to say your apologies, you have to pray for your welfare, and then only you should do the digging. This is called Bhumi Puja. And this earth is being protected by the Vastu Bhagavan. Om Vastu Devam Mahakayam Panchabhuta Ashtadishyam Loka Rupinam Loka Sakshinam Loka Pitinam Loka Rakshanam Sarvakarya Karanartham Vastudevam Namostude Sarvadosha Navartyarthartham Vastudevam Namostude Sarva Aishwarya Pradam Devam Vastudevam Namostude Sarvaloka Maya. And then only you should do the digging. And this Vastu not only bring you prosperity, but also make a permanent shelter for you. So how to do all these things? A Shastra, a procedure has been created, and that is called Vastu Shastra. Vastu Shastra has its aim as all people should live happily and healthy, and people should prosper in whatever they do. It shows the definite way for getting all the material and spiritual benefits in this birth. Narada Rishi, great sage Narada Maharishi, has said Varaha Purusha, that is Vastu Purusha, will definitely bring a world of enjoyment as well as heavenly bliss to mankind who follows this Vastu Shastra, now given by Varaha Bhagirath's Vastu Shastra in building his house, palace, etc., etc. The basic principles of Vastu Shastra is it talks about the directions. There are 8 directions. 4 main directions: east, west, south, and north, and 4 ancillary directions like southeast, southwest, northeast, northwest. This east direction is ruled by Indra, south direction is ruled by Yama, west direction is ruled by Varuna, and north direction is ruled by Kubera. Southeast again by Agni, southwest by Rakshasas or Niruti, and northwest by Vayu, and northeast by Ishana, Ishwar. When it comes to Panchabhutas, Panchabhutas are Akash, Agni, fire, earth, Bhumi, water, Jala, and air, Vayu. And you are doing everything in earth. And you are using water that is available from the earth. And you are going to cook in that house. Again, that is Agni. And you are going to live and sleep in the house. That is Vayu. And you are going to enjoy the overall happiness that is ruled by Akash. So Vastu Shastra secretly reveals the details of the Panchabhutas, that is 5 elements, and their divine activities upon the houses. If we cleverly utilize this Panchabhutas through Vastu Shastra, we can get blessings from them and reap golden harvests from the house. This is the major connection between the Panchabhutas and Vastu Shastra. But Vastu Shastra is a very detailed Shastra. I have only given a very short answer for the question that has been raised. But if you want to know more about Vastu Shastra, we have to go and sit in a different session. Thank you very much. Have a good day.